who believes Allah in the day of judgment. This source of light and guidance. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam can lead us completely. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers, and doctors, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent His messengers in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had waited for the last 4 centuries. This long wait was ended with the perfect rule of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was sent as the last prophet. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was dead the month, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought a new lesson in the list of the people. This lesson is example-less in the history of mankind. There is no option left for us but to follow His teaching. The Quran and Sunnah are the basic of our religion. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet is our role model. If we want to get success in this life and the life afterwards,